So, first test run of the extrusion line with waterbath, measuring unit and puller. The extruder processes industrial pellets, which are leftovers from another project. Waterbath was quite messy because of some leakages I had to fix first. Also need some adjustment of pumping power, drain and water reservoir. Unfortunately, the battery of the measuring unit was empty, but also this device needs some rework anyway. Puller also worked fine even with the poor speed control via power supply. In the end result, a successful test which produced additional open points on the to-do list. Then next video with implemented upgrades in the line which is near milestone 1.